Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. 80% of China's crypto fraudulent schemes carried out using USDT. Several cryptocurrencies have been implicated as the biggest facilitators of crypto crime in China. Citing data from a large number of valid cases related to crypto fraud and money laundering, Ethereum, USDT, and Tron emerged as the most often used cryptocurrencies in 2021. USDT was involved in the most crypto crimes in China. The report published by Chaindig, a Chinese blockchain big data service company, gave a breakdown of the main types of cases and the amount of cryptocurrencies used during 2021. Crypto pyramid schemes were the most common type of crypto crime, cumulatively accounting for 67.82% of reported cases. Money laundering cases rank second in frequency of occurrence. However, the average amount of crypto involved in money laundering was around 90 million by the firms at Ledger, projects contributing to ongoing efforts for other open-source technologies, as well as projects working on integrations for XRP and XRP Ledger implementations, including API integrations, SDK releases, and the maintenance of code libraries. With this new commitment, Ripple joins the likes of Ethereum Foundation and others in its support for grants to help developers build on open-source blockchain platforms. Such grants have become an important way to help sustain and grow the developer community for various protocols and platforms. As the crypto industry continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how other projects follow suit and whether grants become a more commonly used tool to support developers. The second news today about Sberbank, others granted right to issue and exchange digital financial assets in Russia. Russian regulators appear to be fast-tracking domestic companies' efforts to become homegrown token exchanges, with the central bank approving the banking and giant Sberbank's application to become an official digital financial assets (DFA) issuer. Back in January, Sberbank asked the central bank to grant it the right to issue a stablecoin for its corporate clients, but the new permit will also allow Sberbank to offer digital asset exchange services. Two of the firms, Interfax reported, also received permits, namely the fintech company Lighthouse, together with Transmash Holding, TMH, the biggest locomotives and rail equipment provider. United States dollars coin, USDC, and other digital assets will also be available for transfer to the XRP ledger. XRP joins the multi-chain ecosystem according to the official post. Payment solution company Ripple will support the implementation of XRP to this cross-chain solution. The post added, capabilities inherent to the XRP ledger such as auto-bridging allow for assets transferred to the XRPL to access the DEX's existing liquidity to create synthetic order books for assets. Pathfinding functionality also allows assets to find an efficient path for a trade. Data from Defalama indicates multi-chain is the second bridge in terms of total value locked, TVL. Only Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, a solution that enables BTC transactions in the DeFi sector, stands on top with $12 billion in TVL. Bridges are popular solutions for DeFi users. However, they are considered vulnerable in terms of security. Several of these solutions have been hit by the bad actors over the past year. Multichain lost $3 million in bridge assets back in January. Fortunately, a white hacker managed to retrieve the funds. Ripple moves for summary judgment in SEC case. Is the end finally near? Upland listened to this article 0:3021 Bain words in the long-running legal dispute with the U.S. securities regulator. Ripple has asked the court to deny the SEC's motion for yet another time extension. Today, defense lawyer James K. Phelan tweeted a copy of a letter from the Ripple defense team requesting Judge Netburn refuse an extension of the March 23 discovery deadline. They say the SEC has delayed resolution of this case long enough and call for summary judgment. The SEC has nowhere to go. The SEC filed against Ripple in December 2020 over allegations that it illegally sold $1.3 billion in unregistered securities to retail. SEC Commissioner Elliot Roisman, however, Phelan observes that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Ripple's top lawyers slammed SEC for offensive use of memos. According to the General Counsel, GC, at Ripple, Stuart Alderodi, the 2012 Perkins Coie memorandum to the company's founders demonstrates the company's good faith in attempting to issue digital tokens, in the absence of clear guidelines on how existing governmental legislation would apply to cryptocurrencies. With the release of the initial filing from February 2012 and the second memo, there was a compelling argument that the planned tokens would not be subject to federal securities laws. The company was outlining how it obtained its guidance, and it had won one battle in the court of public opinion by doing so. Ripple Labs Incorporated sought assistance not just on securities regulations, but also on a wide range of banking, anti-money laundering, and tax laws, as well as other matters. Ultimately, Ripple's general counsel believes that the SEC should have looked into the Perkins Coie memos and utilized Ripple as an example of proactive compliance, rather than reacting to the situation. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the